Most of you probably know Bob Odenkirk from the famous TV series Breaking Bad. Thanks to his successful role as Saul Goodmen, Bob was given his own spin-off named after his famous catchphrase, Better Call Saul. Following the success of the spin-off, his bank balance has passed $16 million. Let's make this video more interesting by finding out all about Bob's wealthy lifestyle. So sit back and watch till the end. What most of you don't know is that Bob is also a very successful director and producer. The 62-year-old actor has generated untold millions from his projects. Bob made most of his net worth in his late 40s when he got worldwide recognition as a shady lawyer in Breaking Bad. Bob has also been a very famous and funny scriptwriter. He has served his early years writing comedy sketches. Bob's funny writing style got him a comedy sketch writing post in the famous SNL in the late 90s. Get ready to find out all about his millionaire lifestyle. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of Better Call Saul star Bob Odenkirk. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Bob Odenkirk, aka the shady lawyer Saul Goodmen, has served over 4 decades in the American film industry. From acting to producing, Bob has been the face of multiple high-profile projects. Bob solely earned $100,000 per episode from Breaking Bad when the series was at its peak, and $150,000 from his spin-off version Better Call Saul, let alone other projects. Not only a high status, but Bob is also a man of class and sophistication. Through his real estate records, we have gotten to know that all of his bought properties are a reflection dedicated to old American history. Bob bought his first ever home in 1998 with his hard-earned money. He paid $675,000 for it and shared it with his wife, who is also a fellow producer. Situated in Hollywood Hills, Los Angeles, the 2,900 square foot property was listed for sale for $2.4 million in 2015. The couple bought the house as just an investment but ended up living in it. Bob and his wife have recently dropped over $3.3 million to renovate the whole place according to their own personal taste. Let's see how their home's new look turns out. Aside from his spectacular real estate property, Bob's vintage 1997 Cadillac DeVille is to die for. Bob still owns his old Cadillac because it has sentimental value. The yellow customized number plate says "Lawyer Up," which stands for his character Saul's catchphrase "Lawyer Up." In the current market, Bob's car may be worth very little, around $3,000, but it surely does mean something special to him. Along with his vintage Cadillac, Bob owns a couple of other cars that help him shine among fellow stars. BMW and Mercedes-Benz are his go-to cars. With hectic routines, the actor has announced to work and serve the film industry until his last breath. Besides Bob's stunning work profile and incoming millions, you must be wondering, what are his most famously produced projects? Make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. With versatile roles, Bob has amused us for over 5 decades. He started as a screenplay writer and ended up being a smashing actor, director, producer, and anime voice actor. The actor's most recently produced TV shows include Better Call Saul, Nobody, and Girlfriend. His projects have turned him into a millionaire. Bob has also made guest appearances in 22 of the most popular interview shows that are viewed worldwide. He is really good friends with Seth Meyers from SNL and has appeared on his interview show to promote his new projects multiple times. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the challenging work life and interestingly rich lifestyle of the Better Call Saul star Bob Odenkirk? Let us know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.